Welcome to BenRick Remedies. Benefits of Malunggay. Malunggay, Moringa Oleifera, is a popular plant known for high nutritional value as well as an herbal medicine. Malunggay is a plant that grows in the tropical climates such as the Philippines, India and Africa. Malunggay is widely used as vegetable ingredient in cooking, as herbal medicine for a number of illness and other practical uses. Malunggay is known as a very nutritious plant where it is used to combat malnutrition in third world countries, especially for infants and nursing mothers. Malunggay has a long history of medical usage and has a long list of folkloric health benefits for the following conditions. Malunggay is also called a miracle tree primarily for the various health benefits it can provide for almost all kinds of diseases and medical conditions. Here are some of the traditional herbal treatment of Malunggay. 1. Scalp problems. Malunggay leaves pounded and combined with coconut oil is used to treat scalp problems and to promote hair growth. 2. Boosts immune system. Boiled Malunggay leaves contain immune-boosting nutrients used in sickness recovery. 3. Milk production in nursing mothers. Boiled Malunggay leaves used to promote milk production in nursing mothers. 4. Asthma. Malunggay leaves combined with honey and calamzi to treat cough and asthma. 5. Skin rejuvenation. Malunggay is used as skin restorer to promote skin rejuvenation. 6. Hypertension. Malunggay soup is used to lower high blood pressure. 7. Relaxant. Malunggay tea from bark or leaves is used to treat insomnia and restlessness. 8. Diabetes. Malunggay is also recommended for sufferers of diabetes. 9. Source of calcium. Malunggay is consumed to strengthen the bones, especially for growing children and older people due to high calcium content. 10. Anti-cancer. Malunggay is used along with other herbal medicines to treat cancer. Leaves and fruit used for constipation and as diuretic. 11. Skin diseases. Decoction of boiled roots used to wash sores, cuts, skin ulcers, wounds and other skin diseases to alleviate pain and promote healing. 12. Stomach problems. Malunggay is also used for stomach and intestinal problems such as ulcers and constipation. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more updating video. Thank you.